Hi guys, today I'm going to put cool LED lights around our TV. We'll run from here, up, and go around, and we'll end it here. So I'm going to begin by showing you all the pieces. Here's the LED light, the remote, the control box, and the power. So I'm going to connect everything to see if it works. As you can see, now the lights are working. There's blue, there's red, green, blue, and white. And now I'm going to show you these different ones. Flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. And these are the rest. And that's all, guys. So now we're going to take down the TV so that we can get to work. So I'm wiping the TV, guys, because it's dusty. And you need to make sure that the surface is clean. So now that the TV is clean, I'm going to put the strips around here. So now I'll take scissors and I'll cut it there. So now I'm peeling off the sticker. And I've got my dad here to help me. So now I'm going to take a scissor and cut it off. So now I'm going to connect it. So there you go. And now we are going to hang the TV back up. As you can see, the lights are working. And that's it. Our DIY is complete. Now movie night has a new meaning. What do you think?